Hi everyone and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you this Django based application which is a block based application basically wherein we can do number of things which are based on NLP. Right now how this application works and what all things a user can do on this application, that's what we are going to check out. So as you can see, I've already logged in into the application, right? And here I can see some posts which are created by some users who've used this application. Okay, let's come on the home page and see what are we going to see. Okay, this is the home page, this is the about page, and let's try some NLP services. So this is what the user comes across when he clicks on this button over here. Now there are a couple of options which are present over here in this drop down. So there is summarization, there is generation, there is sentiment analysis which you can do, there is question and answering that you can perform on this interface. So how all these things happen, let's just check that out. So I'm going to come on Google first and let's take a phrase from Google. Okay, so some about Google. Okay, and here I would like to come on Wikipedia and let's copy this article. Let's take into consideration the first three paragraphs, or let's say let's take first two paragraphs and let's come over here and I will simply paste it. Okay, and here I would like to go with summarization. Let's do this predict. So what happens is when you click on this predict after putting the text over here in the backend, you know the required model which is going to summarize the text for us will get downloaded, right? And once that happens, it will give us the summary over here on this interface. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so I think we have the answer. Yeah. So as you guys know, I pasted two paragraphs and this is what I got as a result. So this is how we can do the summarization of the text. Fine. And because I already had the model downloaded on my device, this is a model Hugging Face. You must be knowing about it, right? So from there we picked up a model and that's what gave me the summary of this particular text. Okay, let's check out the other options. So the second one is generation. And if I do this predict, let's see what's going to happen in the back end. Okay, so as you can see, the required models and files are getting downloaded right now. This is for the first time I'm trying out this option. I didn't try it out before shooting the video. That is the reason you can see the model is getting downloaded right now. Rest all the options I think I tried before shooting the video, so that's the reason you'll not see this downloading thing happening for the other three, right? So let's wait for some time. And it has got downloaded successfully and we have the output also over here. Okay, so this is what we got when we used this generation for the paragraph that we pasted over here in the input box. Okay, let's try out the fourth option first before trying out the third one, Q&A. And here I'm going to write a question. What is Google? Okay, so what basically this option will do, it will tell the interpreter in the backend to inform the model which is going to do this Q&A for us to take this question into consideration and find out the answer of this from the text which is present in this input box. So let's do predict and see what's going to happen in the backend. So yes, the model is trying to predict the answer, and this is what I got. American multinational corporation and technology company. So that is absolutely correct. Let's check out if we can ask some other questions also a little bit. When was Google founded? Okay. And let's do this predict again. It is September 4, 1998. So that is absolutely correct. So this one is also working perfectly fine. Now we're going to check out the last option, which is sentiment. Okay, so based on the text which I'm going to write over here, it will tell us the sentiment behind that question. Right. So I am not feeling well. If I write this, let's see what are we going to get. So this should be empty. And in the back end, okay, we got the answer. I think no. Yeah, now we have the answer. A negative review. Okay, I am not feeling well. I am really happy today. Let's see what I'm going to get for this one. Predict. Two positive review. Okay, and if I remove really from here, two positive review again. I'm going to sue you. Let's see what will we get for this. Okay, predict. Two negative review. Okay, so this is how you can use the sentiment analysis. Right, now there is one more thing that we can do on this application, and that is creating posts and sharing it with the users of the application. Now how that happens, let's check it out. So if I come on new post here, I can type some post like this. Let's type this whole text, and here I'm going to put Google. Let's post it. So this is what I got, right? And if I come on home, I can see the post which I just posted along with the posts which are posted by the other users of the application. So yeah, that's it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye bye, take care and have a great day ahead, guys.